Alright everybody, Jim King back out here in Gladstone. The house is piered. Piers are encased in high strength concrete. I was going to have all the dirt moved out of here today, but it rained on me. It would just make a mess trying to get it out of here. I'd be fixing tracks in the yard and whatnot. So anyway, the owner came here. I talked to him yesterday and he was wanting to pay me, and I don't expect the full payment. Ben's, I've got this dirt here, but he's going to hold about $1,000 is what we agreed upon, and I'm very happy with it, and that way I can put some money in the bank and keep rolling. It's like we do on all the jobs, but I take great pride in putting these yards back to as close to what they were before I got here. And I'm not sure my competitors do that, but I sure try to. I seed and mulch it. All this dirt will be gone. Got to remember, we encased our piers in concrete. It is a footing support pier, and because the footings and the foundation walls are all built to the standard minimum by whatever city you live in. Generally, the footings are 16 inches wide, 8 inches thick, or 2 feet wide, 8 inches thick, with a couple runs of number 4 rebar running in the middle of it. So what we do is the King Pier raises the footing, and what keeps it there is the massive amount of high strength concrete we encase around our pier and the entire footing in that area where the King Pier is installed. So anyway, out here in Gladstone, this has been a great job, great owners, great neighborhood, quiet. Didn't get disturbed, not one time, for no reason. Just came out here and done our job, and started raining on us. So for all your foundation piering needs, give me a call, 816-521-8915. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.